In the vast realm of internet communication, one name stands out when it comes to security: IPsec, or Internet Protocol Security. This network protocol suite is like a virtual bodyguard, ensuring your data travels safely from point A to point B. Imagine sending a letter through a chaotic city. IPsec is the armored car that seals your letter inside, navigates traffic, and delivers it securely. It's not just about confidentiality, folks. It's also about integrity. IPsec makes sure your data isn't tampered with during transit. And how does it achieve all this? Through two modes: transport and tunnel. Transport mode protects the data within the IP packet, while tunnel mode safeguards the entire packet. Remember, in a world where data is king, IPsec is the knight guarding the castle. For a deeper dive into the fascinating world of network security, visit betanetworks.com. Stay curious, stay secure. Until next time.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.